How to continue supporting your customers with eHopper online ordering during the coronavirus breakout. It is a challenging time now for business owners, with the coronavirus pandemic sweeping the world and greatly impacting everyday life. Businesses that may have previously been booming, now have been forced to close their doors or have their customer base quarantined in their homes, with social distancing measures largely restricting their movement. We at eHopper would like to do everything we can to help you get through this difficult time. That is why we are offering complimentary access to the eHopper online ordering solution, completely free for 3 months. With an online ordering platform, you will be able to continue servicing your customers and keep revenue flowing in during this crisis, no matter your type of business. The online ordering includes a fully mobile-friendly website. It can be used for various scenarios. Your customers place an order and pay online and then have it delivered to their location. Customers place an order online and pick up at your store. Customers place an order by scanning a QR code, without needing additional hardware. Showcase your products or services to customers online when they call in to make an order. Allow customers to share your products on social media. Collect customer feedback, reviews, and ratings. Use it as a tool to communicate with your customers and keep them up to date with your offerings. In addition, all orders made on your site will seamlessly synchronize with your eHopper point of sale. The best part is eHopper will manage the whole process of getting your store set up quickly, so you can start accepting new sales without wasting time or money. How to get started. As the first step, simply visit https://ehopper.com/online ordering system/ and fill out the form. eHopper will then create a website with a unique URL and sync it with your eHopper account, so all your products and their info, including images, pricing, modifiers, and taxes will appear on the site. You can also set it so as you sell, your product stock quantity will be updated within your eHopper account. As the final step, we will coordinate with you regarding the method you would like to use to sell online and set it up accordingly. Spread the word. Once your site is set up, spread the word about it to your customers. This can be done by promoting the site on social media, through email blasts to your customers, PR releases, or at your store location. You can even promote it by placing the URL on your receipts. The best part is, Google will promote your site and products for you through its SEO, search engine optimization, functions, allowing your products to appear in search results for a multitude of potential customers. How to use your online ordering website. 1. Customer places order online for delivery. With many potential customers currently on lockdown at their houses due to the coronavirus, their only way to receive products may be through delivery. With the eHopper online ordering solution, your customers can select products to order from your website, pay online through either PayPal, Stripe, or the authorized .net gateway, and then have their items delivered to their location. You can specify which regions you are willing to deliver to, so that when customers order, the system will either allow or not allow it to take place, depending on their address entered. You can also add a delivery fee to each order. Once the order is placed, you will be informed on the POS and through email, and will receive all the order information. You can then go ahead and prepare and send the items to the customer's location. How to use your online ordering website. 2. Customer places order online and picks up at store. Many restaurants right now are restricted from having customers dine in, with takeout being the only option. Even with businesses that aren't restaurants, their customers may want to limit their physical contact with others as much as possible. That is why it may be crucial for you to set up a takeout option for your customers when ordering online. With the eHopper online ordering system, your customers can choose their items for checkout on the site and then have the option of either paying online or at the store. If you prefer for them to only pay online or only pay at the store, this is possible as well. Once the order is placed, you will be informed through your POS and by email, and you can immediately have your staff prepare the order for when the customer arrives. How to use your online ordering website. 3. Customer scans QR code to place an order. Customers also have the option of scanning QR codes to place an order, essentially turning their phones into a virtual kiosk. Here's how it works. A customer stops by your store or drive-thru. The customer sees a display sign with a QR code. The customer scans the QR code on their phone to place an order. Instantly, the customer will then be able to access your product catalog, add items to a virtual shopping cart, and even optionally pay with their credit cards. It's fast and easy to set up QR codes, and the eHopper team will provide you with all needed tools for free. Scan the QR code below to see the demo on your phone. Note, use iPhone camera or download QR code apps via app stores for free. How to use your online ordering website. 4. Customer views item catalog online and orders over phone. You can also use your online site to make it easier for customers to have visibility to your product catalog. When customers call in to order over the phone, they can view your products and pricing visually on your website through their mobile device and advise on what they would like to order. Then, you can place the customer's order through the eHopper point of sale and take down their credit card information to process the payment manually. Finally, either deliver it to the customer's location or have it ready for him upon pickup in the store. Conclusion and next steps. With the uncertainty facing us at this time, it is crucial for business owners to utilize methods of selling that allow consumers to shop while abiding by social distance guidelines and limiting physical contact as much as possible. With eHopper online ordering, which is being offered completely free for 3 months, you will be able to continue servicing your customers by seamlessly optimizing pickups and/or deliveries through website integration with your POS, so you can keep revenue streaming in and your business afloat. How do I get started? To request free online ordering for 3 months, simply visit ehopper.com/online ordering system and fill out the online ordering request form.